Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Kokomigi Thomisna Zaribamgi Uchathol Daleba Community Health Center da Haktengana Yangsilubada Awat Pakiamarum Lairamle Hari Yangsin Kongsit Aduka Mari Lenina Kokomigi Media Coordinator Yung Kaibam Surjitna Pamising the Hai Nong Kara Chubago Hospital Asigi Building Manungda Ising Yuba Asi Angak Papawi Building Asi Yamna Liraba Amasunate, Oramli Pabam Asi Mari Lainabasina, Yang Sinba Watpagi Kudamni, Hospital as the doctor Kaknatuna nurse Amadate staff singi Awatpa Camerum, Labor Tengnay, Hospital Asigerum Kiada, Nong Europe Panamaram Werga doctors in the town Awaba, Mayok Nare, Hibis Chapjana Kangangamle, Electricity May Matik Jana. Pangdaba Hospital Equipment Watpa Siling Kairatuna Tarakpa, Kendal Thanduna Delivery Taukiba, Operation Theatre, Matik Zadaba, Gynecology, Dr. Laitaba, Amadi Mapam as the doctor sing transfer Torabasu, Dr. Laktabana Chingbakaya, Yangsin Kongset Asita Tingaraki, Masipum Namuklangaki, Matam Jana Exon, Laukatabadagi, Tokpani Haimna, Makna Makataki.
Irang maram borga angang ko lakpada mai matik sa dabadagi to sai kapaga angang ko hamgumda delivery room da angang ko khibagi wari doctor ni rekpa aduga angang hamgum da khole sang mutam da angang ko hongi examination table la haije batare madu phawda cooling karaga jang kasil ga kai mutam da ekoi cooling siba aduga yengo bada ekoi oxygen plant yengui lingkhala madi ngasi ho properly thabak to do ba miyam no si kana phanda ba operation theater phangis khala yengui ekoi ka ba yengo tam da Lady Kula Yogi Yang Angaru, the Lady Bumba. Are the ice in the lady of Potu, ice in the Magi Level Topa, the Home Topa, she never Yavi condition the lady of the bar. Sukumayamashina Maramorga, Dr. Pani, Marueva, quite Hosan the medicine delay or toilet, surgery lady. But what do young Marueva, Nupi and Anga, Hajabari, Angang laying and nobody side specialist. Aduba, Nupi would be Mama would be Mayama, Nupi would be laying and be the Gaini or the doctor. Maru the lay on the bar. Sagashida Ikogi. Tongan blood bangi yengoi hidam kidimakta phibam sadaba adugo hosansi 50 bedded hosan gi koibadina 50 bedded amagi magi leifam thokpa hosan se phibam thokpa to masang mayam se awat ngata ngairam ba doctor phangi ngarang koi leiriba laingak na hanjin ora tho wasu laingak tegi leiriba ngasai doctor singsina chaning ga satpa aduga langni langpi ko pota laingak na pibo order dubu ngasai ilakta matam da laingak na matam sa action lokhataba
Yangsin Kongsat Aduka Mari Lenena, Health Center Asigi Medical Officer Dr. R.K. Diwakar Nasu, Hospital Asna Tingneriba Kudung Chadabagi Pibam Kayaki Matanga, Paumisinda, Fondorake.
Doctor City, Awat Lake, Doctor Gidam Sunabadi, specialist shows the Mazaka medicine, Yamadan Portugale, Handaki, Anova Tabira surgery, Mother Joyter, Doctor Gueda Jiman, Chanel, other Doctor Gi, support on the staff. Apoi dia to postal sumini the doctor mai mahada nurse mai male apoi the nurse is helping him to wale project anova ahum mamali male nurse ahum mamali thare na han ki surgery doctor ni matung ina the hana ki level matung staff nurse ri apun wale and staff ore plus aduga pai hojik lai ba doctor ke je pa OT room have to lite the delivery room je phane ju wasa ki dre mamang ga dum mai lak to matam da dum tor thai pa ga pok ki sum thara yaw ya pingam na ba dum may here the problem where in Magilan. Building is a facility. Number for a Manjala medicated condition where Hana Sangaru Badigi repairing the the better the more of Nikan patient can't go lagazo and water lay the more no idea to complain there.